If you want to insert dual SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's grab our Samsung Galaxy A56 and locate our SIM tray. It's right here near our charging port. So now grab your SIM ejecting tool. Or if you lost it, you don't have it for some other reason, you may use a needle, a straightening paper clip, any object which is thin enough to fit right into this hole. So let's insert our SIM ejecting tool and push it a little bit. So what do we see here? Here we see a place for SIM 1 and a place for SIM 2. Let's grab our SIM card. So SIM number 1, insert it, make sure that the contacts are facing top. Grab your SIM card number 2. Insert it here as well. Make sure that the contacts are facing top. Should look like this SIM card sandwich. Now let's grab our phone and insert our loaded SIM tray into our hole. And basically that's it. Now we just have to give it some time for both of the SIM card to be detected. As you see, they are. Let's press next. So choose a preferred SIM card for calls. Choose a preferred, you can edit SIM card names and icons. For some reason, they are not SIM card 1 and SIM card 2, but SIM card 4 and SIM card 5, which is fine. So choose the preferred SIM for calls, for messages, and for mobile data. Press done, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.